Our tracks on the beat.
Meet up in New York City. I am Abby Harris, your host today.
What up, what up? Welcome to Beyond the Blockchain. I am your host, Abby Harris. Good morning. Welcome to Beyond the Blockchain podcast. I am your host, Abby Harris. We do this each and every day. Today is April 2nd. We got through April Fools. Yesterday we had a great show. We had Mike Fiata talking about Empire DAO work access space during NFT NYC week. And that is exactly what we're going to get into today. But before that, we're going to talk about our topics. Is Bitcoin crashing? We're going to talk about Web3 Network. We're going to talk about the Beyond the Blockchain educational series. We're going to talk about NFT NYC, Telegram's pivot to the open network, and we're going to be talking about building community. So on that note, what I'm going to do, guys, I am going to take you inside of my Telegram group. So guys, this is my Telegram group, all right? Inside of my Telegram group, I have a lot of tools, a lot of books, a lot of education, a lot of startup information, ask the community, and so on and so forth. What I realized about my group, there's a lot of higher level people in my group and a lot of higher level people that I talk to that has a clear understanding or have been in crypto for the last 3, 4, maybe even 5 years, like myself. And I think I am missing a gap on the people that I talk to on the daily, right? So what I'm doing is I'm creating an educational series. It's going to be a community based off of just the basic common knowledge of understanding what is happening in the space, from how to create your first wallet to how to purchase an NFT or how to get a digital asset, how to purchase your first crypto coin, NFT, Bitcoin, how to do trading. It's going to be a bunch of how-tos on my channel. But it's going to be for my community. So if you haven't got a chance to join my community, I don't know what you're waiting for, because this educational series that we're going to start providing is going to be providing some resources. So if you are moving on, if you are in New York City this weekend, if you got a chance to pop in the Crypto Mondays, that was at Republic, then you already know that is always the start of the event that happens. Now, moving on, there are a lot of side events, a lot of things happening, right? Number one, I got, today is actually the last day, guys, to get your thing in for this one admittance to Empire DAO work desk. This is a place, Mike actually just put up the location where it's going to be at. It's going to be at Lumi. You're going to have a ticket to have access to. I need to pin this to the top because I have a lot of in my I have a lot of contacts. So let me see. Okay, I'm pinning to the top. Here is the workspace. There's a lot of, it's 3D printing. Look, Stream Studio ready to go, 3D printing. Mike Tyson Punch Out ready to go. They got Mike Tyson Punch Out. Oh, you got Mike Tyson Punch Out. I'll be in there killing that. The funny thing is, look, this is where it's going to be at. You have an opportunity to work here, guys. There is an opportunity to work here. This is what the location.
All right, a quick tour before the calm before the storm. All right, so first off, shout out to UB Capital and Reciprocal Ventures. Go follow them on Twitter, our sponsors. I'll take a tour through the space here. Right to our left, we have how we're doing our proof of IRL. So in these NFC chips, you can get WIF, WEN, or BONK. You don't know which one's which, and you can claim that by checking in. And let's see, we've got our co-working desks here. I left a bunch of these. Thanks, Sydney Sweeney. Amy's on the first one here. Our lounge. We got a painter set up here. We've got some artists coming in later to do some real painting. We've got our 3D printer going. And we've got a dog, a cat to do the with-win stuff. Coffee, snacks, water. We got a Sega Dreamcast, which I found in my mom's attic. We have a Nintendo Switch, which is not on but should be. And over here we've got a regular Nintendo with Mike Tyson's Punch-Out going. We've got some digital art going with people. Thank you, Dudas. And then our podcasting studio. So we'll be streaming live here, doing our on-chain stories. So join us, play, work, lounge, and we'll see you soon.
See, this is what I'm talking about. This is what community is about, right? You in New York City, you need a place to work, and you want to be around other enthusiasts. NFT NYC weekend, like I said, I am giving off. Today is the last day. By 1 p.m. today, I will be giving my ticket away. So yes, it is amazing things that is happening during NFT NYC. Let's see, yeah, that's the office. Yes, Empire DAO. There you go, guys. Empire DAO. It is going down. Right? Okay, so now let's talk about something else that is happening in New York City, guys. What is happening? What? All the events, right? You're looking for the events there. I got them pinned up in the top message. They're in the top. So if you don't know what events you want to go to, for me, I just sign up for everything. Yesterday's events: One Love Art, Floral Group, York City Foundation Institute, Lenny Newsletter, Crypto Mondays was yesterday, and today from 8 p.m. to 6, Empire DAO. It is going down. This is the lineup. So you can decide what you want to do. It is 11 o'clock. So at this point, Sarson's event already happened, or is happening right now. Shout out to Julie Lamb. GM NYC is at 11 to 2. It's a brunch, private party. It's a Seaport Marina. It is a $125 yacht event. Okay. No, that's the Board Yacht Club. Excuse me. Secret location, RSVP, breakfast. Here is the to get in. But once again, all access is here. If you need to access, you access. It has notes, what's happening, what is going on. Just make sure you tune in. This is what's important about being a part of a community. Being a part of a community, you have these resources where you can just one button, one click, and that's it, and you're in there, right? So, moving on. Shout out to Snacks. Moving on. Like I said, if you're in NYC, make sure you do your due diligence. Have fun. There's a lot of events. You be safe. Moving on. Today, guess what, guys? We are below $70,000 in the crypto space. So let me tell y'all something. We've been talking about this for months upon months about dollar cost averaging. And like I said, if you came in at 40,000 or if you came in at 60,000, you've been taking profits when it was up there, then you should be good, right? You shouldn't really have any stresses because you've been using this strategy. But there's a lot of crazy things happening. This is what we was talking about. Look at Bitcoin Cash ain't go down. This is what we was talking about when you start seeing sale prices, right? This is what sale prices look like. This is the rush right before you pile up, right before the halving is happening, and this thing is going to go parabolic. This is just something that just happens. I am not giving anyone financial advice. I am just talking about the things I like to talk about within the Web3 tech space. Now, certain people have came to my channel and says, "Yo, Ab, I have no idea what you're talking about. I do want to get in, but I just don't know how, the technical know-how. I have you covered, guys. I am going to be doing an educational series where you can have the technical know-how to do what you need to do to be able to get into this game and play. This is not financial advice, but I do have educational tools from AI to crypto. Oh my goodness, helium is at $5. If you've been taking your profits when it was at $9, then you will be a happy camper. Moving on in our space, let's go check out and see what my favorite crypto pal, Ash Crypto, is saying. He says more than 24 million worth of long positions will be liquidated if Bitcoin hits below 58,000. So that is true if you came in at that space. But if you came in at 40 and you got a long going to 100,000, then it's no stresses on you. This is only for people who are trading, okay? This is only for people who are trading. Here we go. Bitcoin's pre-halving, all right? Correction is happening now. Once it's over, Bitcoin will go parabolic. These are how these charts. Let me zoom in here. Let me back this up a little bit because I don't know what's going on here. Why my screen is all over the place? Why is my screen all over the place? Okay, let's see. We're gonna start in 2020. Okay, we had this rise up and a correction, right? The halving happened. This is when the halving happened, and this, guess what? Parabolic, right? Same thing, right? Wait, my screen is bugging out. Here we go. Back down. Where we at right here? This is the bottom. Right? We're parabolic right now, right? This is a system that has been happening time and time and time, and people have been seeing it time and time again. You can try to calculate it if you have the expertise to calculate it, right? Using these tools for trading. Or you can just dollar cost average. But if you don't know what I'm talking about, don't worry, because I got an education series that you should pop in for that I'm putting together for just the basics of understanding of what to do and how to play the game. Moving on, let's check out my favorite guy, Crypto Rover. Talk to me, Crypto.
We can clearly start to see that Bitcoin indeed has created that ascending triangle like we discussed on yesterday's video. And after we saw the ascending triangle breaking down, I told everyone out there on the channel that we've still got this upward sloping support line on the 4-hourly, and we still had this horizontal support on the 4-hour, which was of course providing a lot of support in the past. But currently we have officially been breaking below this 4-hour big support level, and right now we are actually trading below it. So I think that we're seeing a clear... So I believe we're seeing a very clear shift in what currently is playing out here on the Bitcoin 4-hourly time frame. If you've been following the channel for quite a while, you do still know that I have set up a large amount of Bitcoin buy orders on this orange level right here. And this orange box, I've still got all my orders set up at, and I have set up orders at $60,000, at $59,000, and as we're going to come lower, I'm also going to set up some orders around $58,000, and those are going to be in total more than $1 million worth of Bitcoin buy orders, and I'm going to be opening up.
So here's the funny thing. Last week he was saying the same thing and he did not make it. This week it's a possibility that you can actually make it, especially with Bitcoin currently trading at 65,000 with the potential that it will go down because it broke the last lowest low, okay? So do your due diligence, figure out what worked for you, create a strategy. Moving on. Telegram pivots to ton payments for ad boosting. Listen, guys, once again, y'all know how I feel about the open network. Y'all know how I feel about ton. It is definitely on that chart. I go by it all. I talk about it and go by it all the time. There you go. Trading. There you go. Because remember, guys, I used to talk about this when it was at $2, right? I used to talk about this when it was at $2. It was at $2, guys. I was talking about it is currently trading here. The high price of 540, the 24-hour low price of 486. Remember what I talk about the open network, because I run my Telegram group on Telegram. The open network works for me, right? Because it has real impact in subscriptions and buying stuff or advertising, however you want to do. This is what's important to me. So once again, these are gems that I'm just giving you. This is not financial advice. Moving on. ChatGPT removes another barrier to human AI interaction. OpenAI would no longer require ChatGPT 3.5 users to create accounts to gain access to the tools. Artificial intelligence AI giant OpenAI has eliminated the requirements for users to create an account in order to access its widely used generative AI tools. An OpenAI announcement April 1st that will no longer require users to sign up to make it easier to experience the potential of AI. However, users without accounts will not be able to store their history of previous information. This feature will be rolled out in a gradual phase for all countries, starting with the United States. Why we got to start first? For overall public sentiment, cheers to supposed democratization of AI. Simon Wilson's co-creator of Python-based web framework Django, questioned OpenAI's ability to prevent data scraping from abusing the free chat. Okay, moving on. Phishing scams. Thefts on Base are up 1,900%. Y'all know Base, right? I was saying that before, that I felt like that it was some type of scheme. It wasn't the right thing. Scam sniffer noted phishing links, fake X accounts. This is what I be talking about. This rise in Base phishing scams comes amid recent meme coin craze. Help Base total value locked above 3.2 billion market. Listen, man, do not get caught into the phishing scams, man. Make sure that you stay with the community that's able to talk to you, to tell you what's good and what's not. That is the beautiful thing about having a community. Moving on. Crypto bulls see 400 million in liquidation as Solana. Listen, man, we already know there's going to be liquidations because there's going to be corrections. We know this all the way across the board. There's going to be corrections before it goes parabolic. When you read these articles and you see these articles, they intend to scare you, fear of missing out, because they want you to pull all of your crypto and be scared of what is going on. Instead, you should have diamond hands. And I'm not giving you any financial advice. This is just something I'm talking about. Moving on. You know, this is something that I actually wanted to show you guys. No, this is, wait, here we go. This is what I wanted to do technically. I wanted to let's check out what is trending. Crypto crash, we already know that. Cat key cat. What is key cat? Cool. Cat key. I don't know what cat key is. Telegram group, cat key. Here's another one. Here's another one of those meme coins. Cat. Keyboard cat. I am keyboard with them. Y'all really serious? Y'all really serious, guys? Are you really serious? Is a video-based internet meme. It is originally made in 1984 by Charlie Schmitz of his cat Fatso, seemingly playing a musical keyboard. Is this cat even still alive? Okay. Memes for everything, right? Memes for everything, I guess. If that's what you into. Everybody has a cat. I got Crypto Pup. I'm telling you, I'm gonna drop my Crypto Pup token. All right, what else is trending? What else is trending on Twitter? FDNY wormhole. We know what wormhole is. I went over that. If you was a part of what we got going on, then you understand. Sign up. We all know what wormhole is. Wormhole. I go to the website for you guys to see. We've been through this, guys. We talked about this. Moving on. What else is trending? What else is trending on Twitter? Bubble. What is Bubble? Bubble. Build web apps without code, entirely visible. Bubble is leading no-code platforms. Let you build startup without traditional engineers. Oh yeah, Bubble? Without traditional engineers? See, full stack no-code design, scaling, business, founders. Okay, Bubble. Start building for free. No code. Let's see. What? If you haven't had a chance to be on Pond Beyond the Blockchain, make sure you do. Learn how to build Bubble series, app series. Okay, Bubble. Build guides. Generate build guides. Templates. Sort. Where are the templates? Explore templates. There we go. Let's see. If you're a builder, what are you building? Canva builds, easy dashboards, Tasky, easy marketing. What are you building? If you had the opportunity to build whatever you want within this space, what would you build? Yeah, you. What would you build? Games, marketplaces, on-demand services. What would you build? Booking? Interesting. Moving on. Let's see what else is what's trending on Twitter. Bubbles, Andes. Andes and Notcoin. I'm just curious. I don't know what Andes and Notcoin is. Andes, straight out the boys club universe, ready to carve its own billion-dollar path on Solana. Get in on what's sure to be the next meme, make history. Okay. Andy on Solana. Guys, you know how I feel about a lot of this stuff. You know how I feel about a lot of these meme coins. Wallet, get some soul. Y'all know how I feel about this. They got a Medium, a Linktree, Twitter, Telegram. Let's check out their Telegram. Andy Portal. Here's another stupid meme coin. They have 2,500 subscribers. Safeguard. I am human. Yep. Let's see. Start. Oh. There's a lot of stuff going on in here. So trending. Okay, so these are trending Cats of Thrones. See, starts pushing me down rabbit holes that I choose not to go down. Because I really was just trying to see what Andy's portal was about. You join Andy's. That's the only thing I was trying to do. See what Andy's was about. Moving on. Choose not to go down the rabbit hole, Andy. What else is trending? There's one more. What is Kroger trending for? I'm curious. Stocks? Kroger, roll and refresh daily. Oh no, what y'all trending for? For prices? Moving on. That's what it's called. K. Rogers, you know they bougie now. Not coin. What is not coin? What is not coin? Not coin phase 3, not coin. Not coin. Oh, we just jumped straight into the Telegram group. Okay. I really wanted to go see what the website is. Hi, app. Not coin. Tap in. Let's go. Join the community. How to play. How much not coin is worth? No one knows. Got any friends? Get them in the game. Okay. What is not coin? Launch. Not coin. Desktop. Nope. We're not going to do that. Join the community. Okay. How to play. How to play. How to play. Keeps going in a circle, guys. Okay. Top 15 players. I might have went myself into a rabbit hole. On that note, guys, thank you for tuning in to Beyond the Blockchain. We did go down the rabbit holes, but during NFT NYC, if you get a chance to check out any of these events, please do so, because it is definitely happening. Right? It is definitely happening. And if you haven't had a chance to be a part of the web network, I don't know what you're missing out on. But like I said, I will be creating some educational series to get a clear understanding of what Web3 is, how to get a wallet, how to create an NFT, how to launch your own token. I'm going to be going through all of these aspects of Web3, because if I don't bring it to you, then no one will, because I realize that there are gaps missing amongst me and my friends. So what I'm going to do for all of those who need the education, pull up. I'm going to have all the stuff set up. That's what I'm working on now. Like I said, there's improvements that's being made within the Telegram group. And there's a lot of information that I have in here. And there's a lot of other stuff that I would like to add. So, see you when I see you, same bad channel, same bad time. Make sure you tune in each and every day. Beyond the Blockchain.
Abstracts on the beat.
Meet up in New York City. I am Abby Harris, your host today.
What up, what up? Welcome to Beyond the Blockchain. I am your host, Abby Harris.